What's your favorite fish?
Bass.
How big?
That big.
Do you catch bass? Do you catch bass in the boat?
This big.
How big? Let me see your hand.
This big.
Is that how big the fish are that I catch? Yeah, little fish. I catch all the little fish, don't I?
I got the biggest fish.
You catch all the big ones.
Yeah.
You got pizza all over your face.
Let me see. Let me see.
Let's do this. Easy does it. Screw it. This body's water looks so different from this angle. This angle meaning freaking sitting on top of the water, a couple inches off the water. Looks completely different. Alright. This is the part this part sucks. And everything's set. Alright. I was gonna throw this frog. Not frog, but sunfish. But it's kinda early fall, so we're gonna go with A-rig and tie that on. Alright, cut this off and put that A-rig on. Alright. That was kinda my plan to begin with, so let's do that. Throwing the A-rig. Oh, that was almost terrible. This thing creates so much drag, it is pulling the kayak. It's fine. I don't care, but oh, I caught a bobber. That was interesting. Huh. Oh, that thing splashes into the water, don't it? These guys are a little messed up. Let's fix him. Let's see. Alright, let's figure this out. You know, honestly, this is my first time throwing an A-rig, so let's give that time to sink. Let's get some of this nasty line out. Oh, man. Anytime you get a backlash or a line kink like that, man, it usually messes up the line, so it's best to let a bunch of it out. Gotta fix it. Alright. Giving that plenty of time to soak. Alright. We're not giving up on that. We are just going to cruise and throw a drop shot over in this shade. Alright. Drop shot over there. I feel like I lost my worm. Wasn't really paying attention. That seems to be what happened. Comes off that, it falls off that little steep drop off, and I always keep feeling like I have a fish. It feels like my line's running, but really just coming down off that drop off. Holy crap. What's happening? All right. Didn't lose it. Caught my first thing of the day. Stick. So I heard the middle of this thing is super deep. Let's just let that fall for a second. Caught up on a semi or something. There's a big tractor. Supposedly there's a big tractor down there. I don't think I believe it, but all right. Where at? Y'all see it?
He's, if you look, he's like right there. He's on the other side of the tree. He's way pushed up against the bank. Y'all cast him.
I think I see it.
I just casted right in front of him.
Yeah, I think I see him. See if I can drag this right in front of him. Oh.
They must not spook very easily in this pond.
They don't, there's not a ton of people come out here to fish. Like there's every now and then, from the bank,
Yeah.
but they don't get pressured too bad, so they're not super spooky. Good luck, guys. Well, I'd take a bluegill right now. Still got a few hours. Wait till the sun goes down a little bit. See how the top water bite is. Get a frog and a spook. Finally got a little guy. His lips beat up. Well, it just wouldn't be right if I didn't drop him. Huh. If I didn't drop a fish, it just wouldn't be right. His lips beat up. Man, so I'm getting skunked out here. Well, I guess not skunked. Skunked means you didn't catch anything. I caught one, so. It's hot. And the bite is tough. Oh. Bite is tough. It is hot, hot, hot. Let's sit down a little bit. Ugh. Man. Well, you're not working, buddy. Not catching fish is not fun. Yeah, I got one so far. Not too good. I got a little guy. Oh. Little skinny guy. Look at that poor little guy. Alright, little guy. I'll see you later. Yeah! Alright, see this light. What light looks better? Alright, I gotta move around. Okay. Alright, so I just got back. I was over there at the golf course pond. I got my little buddy here. My little helping me do some editing.
Daddy!
What's up, bud?
Look!
Did you make a little mess?
No, look right there.
Oh no.
That wasn't me.
That's terrible. That wasn't you? I'm sure it wasn't. Alright, so I'm literally I'm uploading the videos right now. It was a tough day. Tough day on the water. One of those days. I'm trying to get somewhere I can stand where this light looks decent. So yeah, basically, it wasn't the greatest day of fishing. It was pretty terrible. It was actually it was a pretty terrible bad day of fishing. I caught like 2 little 12, 13-inch dinks. Any day out fishing, it's a whole lot better than just sitting at the house. How about them Cowboys? It's just, sometimes you have bad days. I will get revenge on that lake. I will get revenge. I'm gonna go out, I know there's some big ones out there. I'm gonna go out there and catch them. I've gone out there before and caught some pretty good fish. I've either done really good numbers wise there or just caught decent sized fish there before. Today, neither. I didn't get skunked, so that's decent. I think it's probably just a little too early to be throwing the old Alabama rig.
There's ice cream on me!
We'll get it off, buddy.
I can't let it off.
Gotta love them. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's probably a little too early to be throwing the Alabama rig, but I mean, I caught one on a similar colored swim bait that was one of those little Berkeley Havoc swim baits. Man, I just didn't do too great. It was one of those days. It just happens. So anyway, guys. Oh, another thing, big thing. I'm gonna go ahead and give this stuff away right here. All right, not this. All right. So I probably should have this organized a little better. All right, so I'm gonna give this and this away to somebody. This is just an assortment of stuff. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna give this to somebody, signed by a bunch of famous YouTubers. And there's some soft plastics in there as well. And then I'm gonna give all of these swim baits away. All right. The only way to win them is to go to the Facebook page, and I'm gonna be and go over there and I'll set something up. Whatever, I'll do something. We'll get it figured out. But let's get those. It's gonna be 3 prizes. So let's give those away. I'm just tired of hanging on to them. So I gotta get rid of this stuff. Yeah. So good. So anyway, that's about it, guys. It was fun. Now I gotta edit this video, and you'll probably see it in like 3 days because it's pretty hard to edit with this little guy.
See you later, guys.